How's it going, everyone, and welcome. I am Lucky13. Thank you for checking out this video and welcome back to the channel. And of course, if you're new here, welcome to you as well. I'm going to go out on a limb, guys. This is something I don't do very often. I've done it twice before and I struck gold both times. I'm 2-0 when it comes to trying to figure out these release dates. And this is my Fallout 4 possible release date. I'm going to throw you guys out just a couple of reasons why I think it is. But just to let you guys know, I am 2-0 when guessing at these release dates. But this is complete conjecture. 100%. I've recently seen some GameStop ads, and since they've been pulled, and it was some GameStop ads that were just floating around Reddit, and they're no longer there. I don't know why the user pulled them or what exactly happened, but since viewing those, the highly anticipated Fallout 4, it was supposed to be dropped on October 23rd of this year, October 23rd, 2015. Now, aside from that, when we look at the date, we can see it's months away, but also lands on a Friday, and we know that most game releases come out on a Tuesday. So I think most people would just disregard this and just chalk it up to being like a game release placeholder, which they have those often at GameStops and, you know, on Amazon and all that. But if you're familiar with another date, Friday, November 11th, 2011, and I know most of you have come to know that as Remembrance Day. That is like a memorial day to remember the fallen soldiers. Though if you are a gamer like me, you know this date is something completely different. November 11, 2011, that Friday was the day that the last non-Elder Scrolls game came out. The last non-online Elder Scrolls game came out. That was Elder Scrolls Skyrim. That's the game that we all know and love as Skyrim. That's the day it came out. It came out on Friday, November 11, 2011. And that's just, you know, one of the points that we can have these games come out on a Friday. A second point, most placeholders, as we know, guys, they're at the end of a month, on October 31st, maybe November 31st, December 31st, maybe the end of the year. But this one here is on October 23rd, and that's just not a random Friday. October 23rd is the date that marks both the start and the end of the Great War in the Fallout universe. The day where the US, China, and USSR turmoil just came to an end. It was that exact Saturday, October 23rd, 2077 in Fallout lore, when three superpowers took turns just firing nukes at each other, destroying entire civilizations, and began this post-nuclear world that we explore now. And finally, if you look at the last two previous Fallouts, they're not released on that Friday. They haven't been released on the Friday that we would expect, because that's where more of the popular AAA games are being released. But Fallout 3 was officially released in the US on Tuesday, October 28th, 2008. That was a Tuesday, but it was in October, the end of October, and the follow-up to that masterpiece, Fallout New Vegas, debuted just a little less than 2 years later, October 19th, 2010. That was a Tuesday, but it was still the end of October. Both of those games came out at the end of October, just like I'm trying to pull this thing together, pull this out of the air, and my guess is that we're going to be seeing that October 23rd release date of 2015. But again, the definition of conjecture is the opinion or conclusion formed on the basis of incomplete information. And I guess we won't know what happens for sure until we get that official release date. If you guys have an idea for a release date and you want to just throw it down there in the comment section, that would be just great. That would be great. I would like to look at it, see what your guys' thoughts, your feelings on it, why you think that specific date would be the release date, and who knows, maybe you'll have a better chance of guessing the future than a Magic 8 Ball. I appreciate you guys for checking out my channel. I appreciate you for checking out this video. If you like the video, if you like the channel, if you like my style, make sure to hit the subscribe button for future awesome videos. I am Lucky13, guys, and until my next video, I'm out.